In southern India, this Philips have started operations about 5 years back, and now we have a good team of 42 people strength in southern India. And the last 2 years, 2023 and 24, we could able to get a significant orders here in southern market, and in this segment, we could able to impact the high-end technology customers here, so that we could able to sell our 5-axis machines and the tool room machines, and the what you call today we have more than 500 machines in southern market. So that signifies the Philips presence here in South India. This fly eye concept, we are thinking in the direction of what you call the 5-axis machines, mainly mainly with respect to the Philips. Now we are displaying a Harmony 5-axis Milton machines with the automation systems, inbuilt automation systems, and in addition to that, we are also have a 5-axis machine from Amiol. Along with this high-end 5-axis technology, we also have the EDM, the wire EDM, super drill, and the grinding machines, along with our 5-axis machines. Yes, we have a wide variety of displays, this IMTEX. We are getting a repetitive orders from our customers, where we have started about 5 years back in southern market. So that shows that the products are reliable, and the backup support for these machines to run on day-to-day basis is good, and customer is trusting Philips, and they are calling us and placing a repeat order on us. This shows that that means that we do not only sell, we also upkeep the machines and increase their productivity. That is the confidence what southern India has developed on Philips brand. I request you to please visit Philips booth in Hall 4. Thank you.